Hello and welcome to my custom spiderweb bleach tutorial video. So my name is David and I will be teaching you guys how you can make your own custom designs just using things you have lying at home. Using bleach to make custom designs on clothing, it's perfect for people who are creatives and if you're artistic. It's also great for people if you're into fashion and want to venture into getting into creating your own designs, especially if you just have old clothes lying around and you want to just spice up your wardrobe a little bit, then you can get it done, and it's so easy. With Halloween coming around the corner, and I think it's fitting the season, I will be teaching you how to make a spider web design. And it's going to be really simple, it's easy to follow along, and anyone can do it, and it's perfect. You can check out my website. There I'll be posting a blog post about fashion and things that I find online and things that I like a lot about fashion and so much and so forth. So there you can interact with me and you can find my social networks also. So I'm gonna have to head to Walmart real quick and we're gonna get a couple of materials and then we can get started on the project. Alright, so head to your Walmart and hit up the men's section. Here they have a couple cool Halloween shirts that I actually kind of liked, but we're not here for that. You're gonna want to pick up a black hoodie, a plain black hoodie. It's really cheap, only about 10 bucks. Next, you're gonna need bleach. Yes, you're gonna need bleach in order to do this. If you don't have bleach at home, then I suggest you pick one up. And finally, you're gonna need paintbrushes. Here they have a couple of different brushes in different sizes, and I think are gonna work perfectly. You can also pick up yourself a little bit of sponges and they'll work good. Okay, so now that we have all of our materials, we're gonna lay down our hoodie on a flat surface and make sure it's spread it out all the way. Now what you're gonna want to use is some sort of ruler or some straight line. I used a piece of wood right here in order to get straight lines. You're gonna need your bleach. This you probably already have lying at home. And what you want to do is put a little bit into a cup. I put way too much, more than I even needed. And then now you're going to need your brushes. Yes, this is what you're going to need in order to paint and bleach your hoodie. Starting by bleaching going across the hoodie. And what I'm going to do is paint a X formation going across the torso of the hoodie. And what this will be used is as our points of reference. So after we painted our X formation, we're going to be painting brush strokes going across the torso and cutting through the center of our X. Once you paint it across enough times, now we are going to start connecting the webs. And we're going to do this by getting a thin paintbrush and then start kind of connecting the webs, intertwining them, kind of like almost like if you were knitting or sewing, I feel like, and going around in a big circle.
Comfortably close and you see right through me.
Now, it looks cool so far, but I think we can do better. So I decided to flip over the hoodie and start working on the back. And I figured that I can create a cool design similar in the back side. So I'm only doing the top half portion and I'm just stretching out a couple of lines right from the back of the neck. Now I finished with the back, but I think there's something missing, and so I decided to design a spider in the hood. What I did is I just started creating a body kind of like with a rectangle, and I made the fangs, and it was easy enough. I was able to add legs and boom. Just with 3 simple things we were able to create a cool design that I'm really happy about, and hopefully inspired you to get out there and create your own designs for clothing. If you found this video cool or helpful, then leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment too down below. And also check out my WordPress where I post up blog posts about fashion and avant-garde clothing.